See a setup over here.
Mommy, Mom. I love you. Oh, this is way too scary for you to
Hey. Test.
Listen.
Test. That's so strange. Okay. We're gonna go live. Okay, what do we got here? We got resistance here at opening print there. And what else? Same as yesterday, down into the 450s. So it'll be interesting to see kind of what we got going on. Let's go. We get paid out today. Gonna take a short here. Stop there at opening print. 13-point stop. That's totally okay. We're not selling off. Close that out. We're not selling off as fast as I wanted to. That doesn't mean we aren't going to. There it goes. 20 points. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Not a big deal. Welcome in, people. Waiting here to see what the market's going to do. We took a trade, could have had 30 points right there, but market was a little bit unsure, so I didn't take it. We get paid out today from our evals, so that's exciting. Okay. Look at that, 660, 560, almost 100 points. Flippity, flippity, floppity there. Could take a scalp here, honestly, but we're quite high. Probably not the best idea. How many years have you guys traded? Comment down below. Let me know how many years you've traded. Let's get some of your questions answered. That's what I want to do. Look at this. Just keep going. Missed that one. I'll admit that. This is so dumb. I keep getting this live visibility restricted. Community guidelines. That's not true. Guys, if you like the live, just click your screen. It'll help with this. They keep saying that my live isn't my own. Do you guys want to see? Look. Who's moving the chart? Me. Who's doing this? Me. Who's taking the trade? Me. Right? Freaking TikTok. Come on. Take an L, but whatever. So dumb. It's not your content. Yeah, it is. You can see that it's my content. I'm making the content right now. Come on, TikTok. I don't know why they sit there and they think it's not my content. It's annoying. You don't mind giving the video some likes. Really helps push it to the right audience, especially when TikTok's trying to restrict who can view it. Whoa. Same as yesterday, do we think? Come up, tease people, go down, or just are we going straight down? Straight down, apparently. Ah. How's your morning going? How are things going for you? Good? Everyone good? Okay, if we test right below the 700 level and it starts to break down, I'm going to take the short, okay? Really close there. I didn't quite break it. I wanted to break above that those wicks. I really wanted to be like 697. Close. What's up, user 745A7024586777? Okay, there's our break above. I think this was premature. I think I was a little early on this trade. I think this comes up more. Dang it. Oh, that makes me sick. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Down a couple hundred. That's okay. Wrong bias on the day. We're going higher. Okay. Taking a break here. Not going to trade for a second. Idea was test this level, reverse down. Obviously, there's more strength in the market than I had assumed. So. Okay, so we obviously have strength to the upside. Frankly, I did not even look to the upside this morning. $770, 800, 850. Kind of got all those areas. A little pullback here. Yes, testing its highs. This is stupid. Move hundreds of points and then we're stuck in a 10-point range. That's stupid. I'm not going to trade that. Sorry. I refuse to trade that. I don't like NQ to the upside, honestly. I really don't. So I don't know. It's not like a clear path. There's not clear levels. Yes, holding low. NQ running higher. See if we get that test of 24,800. And if we can pull back from there. What's up? User 745A7024, something. Yes, following now. Whittling our way back. Whittling our way back. Could have had it all back there, but that's okay. Little whittle. I just don't know where we're going. It's my problem. Like I'm taking a stab in the dark trading to the upside right now. I would 100% say we're going to turn to the downside at 850. So I guess there's the projection, right? Go smaller size. Take it. I don't know. $120 risk. Downside goal would be 800 to 790 area. Too much strength. I'm not gonna sit through something that I already know I'm losing. Oh, it wouldn't have stopped me out. Okay, it would have stopped me out there. Interesting. One more trade. It's really just one more trade, and we are back in the shindig. Is this the flip to the downside? I don't think so. I think it's just trying to fake us out. What do you think? It's trying to fake everyone out. I think there's so many people that thought it would go to the downside that we go to the up. Here's the reality. We have NVIDIA reporting earnings this afternoon. NVIDIA is going to control the market today, at least NQ. So I can't wait for NVIDIA to not hit their earnings today. That would be funny. Although they're going to. The thing is it's not a consumer-based business. It's a corporate AI based, right? And so they're pretty smart with how they organize their sales and stuff. Thanks for all the likes. Appreciate all the likes, people. Thank you. Just gonna take a easy long here. Say that, and then it pulls back. Great. We've just had such a gradual climb here. I'm like, well, might as well, right? But then it reverses. What a beautiful trade. Market just wants to go long. That's the reality. And sometimes you just gotta ride with reality, right? Not fight against what's there. Sometimes you have a bias and you need to just let go. Let go of your bias. So you guys got any bias today? I was biased to the downside 100%. First to say it. I drew down $400, but now we're up $66. So happy about that. Again, we get to request $16,000 payout today. Very excited. Very excited. I've gotten payouts before, but this is the largest for sure. I've requested $6,000 before, and I got approved for 4 of it. But that was because there were 3 accounts, and I traded them separately. And one of them, I broke a rule, so I traded too crazy, kind of. Like if you just are going ham and clicking buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, they don't like that. So let's see if we can catch one more for you guys, okay? Gary Nye. Who's over on the YouTube? You gotta comment. Let me know who you are. There's a couple people over on YouTube. Good for you guys. YouTube's a tough one to crack into sometimes. So thanks for being here. Appreciate the support, guys. Um, market's just riding up today. Really straight up to the moon. I mean, here, why isn't it doing it? Look at the 1 hour with me. This is a 1 hour candle, right? That's from 7 to 8 o'clock. Yes, I overtraded. That's okay. Um, kind of fascinating here what we have going on. We got some pretty decent consolidation, but I've said this the whole way up, you guys. So don't pay any attention to it. At 9:45, right? You got some decent consolidation in a couple areas there. Back on the 14th as well as the 17th on Monday. I don't see any gaps that we're trying to fill. I really just think, you know, we were due for a kind of a reverse. Well, what was that? 650 to 600 points. What have we done here? 400. Interesting. If that put us into the 5100 area, that'd be an interesting area to go test, huh? What do you guys think? Look at that. That is crazy. Excuse me. That is almost straight up. Man, those are the days where you're just pissed when you miss it. I'm not that pissed because I get paid out. But I could be pissed. What are you guys trading? You guys on NQ as well? Maybe stocks, maybe some Nvidia. Maybe you're a risk taker. Jumping on the Nvidia earnings call today. Let me know in the comments what you guys are trading. Don't forget to give the video a like. Helps push it to a new audience, and I appreciate it. Helps me feel better about myself. Okay. Okay, we tested lower. Had a little bit of a pullback, like cleared that candle. Looking for a long here. We want it to break out, and our stop's going to be below the body of that last candle, okay? If it doesn't break out and it pulls back, that's okay too, and we won't take our trade. Okay, long here. Ooh. Stop below that candle. First trims will be at 950. Not the breakout I had hoped for. Patience. Have some patience here. An 11-point loss is not a big deal if it stops us out. Annoying nonetheless, because we're going to go higher. But yeah, that's obnoxious, but is what it is. It's how the cookie crumbles. Watch it go. Watch it go. Watch it go. Didn't quite hit 50. Okay. Feel better about myself. Something whimsical. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo. Ba-da-da-da. Market just is not it right now. Come on. Take it. Take it. My hood is taking all the sound and amplifying it into my ears. Let's try the longy dongy one more timey. Longy dongy. Let's go longy dongy. There's 47. Let's go. To the moon. Let's go to the moon. Kind of being an idiot there, not taking profit. But the whole plan was to go to 50. So essentially, we're there. Probably breaks higher. I mean, we've been going higher all day. So that's okay. That's okay. We're just scalping today. Okay. Not feeling in on the long ones. No, I'm not trading them well. I had a bias to the downside and the market doesn't want to go down. And frankly, I'm just not trading longer trades well. So short 10, 15, 20 point winners is where we are at today. Quincy, what's up? Sorry, my hood. Slightly depressed. No, just kidding. Not depressed at all. How can you be depressed with these numbers? How can you be depressed? Not depressed, but anyway. Carissa, how are you doing, Carissa? Welcome in. People over on YouTube, what's up? I don't have a trade for you guys right now, but we will find one. We'll find a trade. Oh, that looks terrible. I'm sorry. I didn't realize my picture was in the way there. There we go. I mean, there's obviously been trades here in the last 15 minutes, but you also could have gotten trapped, right? Got to look at it that way. So it's not worth getting trapped right now. Also, we zoom out 950. There's some consolidation on the hourly, so that's to be remembered as well. Looks rainy and cold outside. I'm on the western side of the United States, though. To the upside we go. Keeps on climbing higher. Here we go. Higher, higher, higher. To the moon. Do we take another longy dongy? Okay, YouTube, I think your time has come to an end. I want some music, so I'm gonna get up. Oh, I need to do my little speech, my little spiel. Here it is. Has nothing to do with trading. Okay. You ready for this? Should I record it? Trading is awesome. It can provide you with a lot of different things, but trading is not everything. Let's restart that. Let's restart that. Yeah. Yeah. Can we do that? Trading's awesome, but it's not everything. There's so much more in life than just trading and making money, building empires, things like that. That's great, but what matters most is what you have in your home, right? And the people you surround yourself with. If you're fortunate enough to have a family that you love and care about, that core like nucleus to your life is what matters more than anything else and can bring you the most joy, right? It can be stressful, it can be hard, but it should bring you joy. And you should find joy in the little nuances and little silly things that happen each and every day, right? Um, Now, with that being said, like there's a huge attack on this throughout the world right now. And like family, right? What was a family 50 years ago and what's a family today? Right? Like look at it in that context. Um, there's an attack on like what our family should be. And there's so many different studies out there that note this, but as you deteriorate the family and take away fathers and mothers and children, it changes people, right? It changes their behavior, it changes their attitude, changes their life. And so when you add in a father, right, or a mother or children to a couple, it elevates everything. So many people are waiting to have kids, waiting to do things because they want to be financially secure, or they want to have themselves in a better position. I understand. I understand being financially okay, but I want to be financially independent before, that's a little bit crazy. Independent of what, I guess, right? Like independent of the government, okay. But independent, like as in like wealthy, like no, just start having kids, have more kids than you ought to. Things will work out. You'll find a way to make it work. I promise you. You're not going to let your kids go starving, uh, nor will the community. Like without the government stepping in, what happened when the government shut down? There was a huge influx of just private sector people helping with food, right? So don't let society get you down. Go have kids, treat them well, love them. Better that they're with you in a loving home than with somebody in a not loving home. So take care of your kiddos, hug them tight, have a beautiful, blessed day. YT, YouTube, peace out, dog. Have a good day. Maybe we get a pullback here. I don't know. Probably not, but maybe. Bye.